just trying to work through to make sure that people are taken care of and making sure that we're out in the community trying to support.
Resources, dollars, and effective communication and coordination, which Verizon is key at, is critical.
The gift that was given through the local South Georgia United Way, we were awarded $10,000 of that gift from Verizon, and those kinds of unrestricted dollars are key to what we do during a disaster.
With them coming out here and doing different stuff like this just shows that they really support the community and they're really willing to help at any time of need. And that's really what it's about with Verizon that I've seen since I've been with the company.